Hey everybody, this is Dane. I want to show you the luxury class division for the single section home from Clayton Homes. This one is called the Annie. I love this home. Real nice. You'll see it's completely taped and texture walls, all drywall throughout the inside. We'll go see here in just a minute. Just doing a quick walk around outside so you can see a lot of character to this home. All right, let's get inside, take a look. Okay, so this is the Annie model, Annie Oakley I call it. So this is the Annie model, all completely full drywall throughout. Got a residential style door. We'll come back into the living area here in just a minute, but look how big these windows are. Lots of natural lighting. Let's go down here and look at bedroom number 1, bedroom number 2. So the first bedroom you see here, really large bedroom. And the closet, big closet. Something else everybody asks, how many outlets? Okay, let's see here. 1, 2, 3. I see 3 outlets. Let's keep going to the next one. Nice big window. In the hallway, here's the bathroom coming off the second bedroom. Real nice fixtures, tub shower combo. Real nice, real nice. Oh yeah. Notice how you got your ductwork in the ceiling. And this house has all the laminate floor throughout. A lot of people like that, easier to keep clean. Bedroom on the end of the house here, number 2. Even bigger closet, bigger bedroom, bigger closet, so that's nice. Notice the hardware, high end, high tech, high touch. Here we go, let's go down to the other end of the house. I know you want to see the primary bedroom and bathroom. Look at that kitchen, isn't that amazing? They're doing a special incentive and you got more, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 windows in this living area, kitchen. Look at the cabinets, look at that. You got the stainless fridge, you got the stainless stove, you got the stainless microwave, stainless dishwasher. Hey, if you're moving from California, New York, Florida, we got you covered. Let's go back in here, check this out. So there's where your washer dryer goes, right back in here. Got nice cabinets up above, lots of storage in your laundry. And then we'll come back in here to the primary bedroom. Ceiling fan. Big, big window in the primary bedroom. You're gonna get a lot of compliments on this primary bathroom. They love the tub. Big window in the bathroom for natural lighting. Already have your window fixtures coming from the factory. And then looky there, there's your dual vanity sink with the fancy faucets on them. Big closet, big, big shower in here as well. It's awesome. So there is the Annie single section home by Clayton. Hey everybody, this is Dane again. Thanks for taking time to do the home tour of the Annie model 3-bedroom, 2-bath by Clayton. This is a great single section home from the luxury class. Hope you like it. Keep coming back to the channel, and if you like it, subscribe and click the like button and share it with your friends, and we'll continue to bring you more great videos of what it's like to live in Oklahoma. Thank you.